Every morning when you get up and go through the headlines, you wonder कि हो क्या रहा है. किसी वाइफ ने किसी हस्बैंड को मार दिया, किसी हस्बैंड ने वाइफ को मार दिया, कहीं मॉब अटैक हो गया, कहीं लोग हेट्रेड में एक दूसरे को बोल रहे हैं, कोई किसी की दुकान में घुस गया, बोला कि तुम नाम चेंज करो, कोई रिलीजियस प्रोसेशन निकला तो वो इट टर्न्ड वायलेंट. Is society breaking down in front of our eyes? Or is there something far bigger that is happening लेकिन हमें वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है? Now just have a look at कि ये डेटा कुछ इंडिकेट कर रहा है, कुछ बता रहा है. Inside homes, marriages are under stress. Outside homes, caste tensions, religious tensions are rising. On the streets, communal hostility is intensifying. Public spaces, religious mobilization is expanding massively. Women are at risk everywhere, in homes, outside, on streets, public places. और इसके साथ साथ लेकिन surprisingly participation in religious pilgrimages is increasing, has surged in India from 3.5 to 4.5 crores in just 5 years. Religious tourism in India has doubled in 1 year. What does this data indicate then? Is morality collapsing? हमारी society is becoming more violent, और कुछ deeper is happening beneath the surface और हमें दिखाई नहीं दे रहा. What if I might tell you what looks like a chaos? ये बेसिकली एक collision है. Now this is where the ideas of Alvin Toffler, who wrote this book, The Third Wave, become powerful and explain this. Why is it happening? Toffler argued that human civilization underwent 3 waves of evolution. First wave, the agricultural wave. The second wave, industrial. And the third wave was IT wave. Now each wave was not just about technology. It rewrote family structures, power की hierarchies, gender roles, religion, culture, politics, even the way we think. हमारे social beliefs, वो हर वेव के अपने अलग थे. Now here is the issue. Most Western societies moved from agriculture to industrial wave to information over a period of 300-400 years. Now one India lives in agriculture wave. For this India, honor is घर की इज्जत, औरत. Caste defines the hierarchy. Patriarchy is normal. Father, male member decide करेगा किसको कितना खर्च करना, क्या करना. Community identity outweighs individual freedom.
ग्रामवासी पंचवा द्वारा यह फैसला लिया गया है कि गांव पंचवा में जो भी बालक बालिका भागकर शादी करने उसके परिवार पर निम्न बिंदु पर प्रतिबंध लगाया जाएगा. उस परिवार का सामाजिक बहिष्कार किया जाएगा.
हमने अभी सुना गांव में क्या हुआ वहां पे. Now placed beside it another India, एक और भारत है जो कि इंडस्ट्रियल वेव में रह रहा है. This India believes in codes and laws and rules, discipline, urban aspiration, middle class discipline, institutional authority, ladies का, women का हक. And then there is a third India, the information wave. Now this India lives online. ये क्वेश्चन करते हैं ट्रेडिशन को. They believe in personal autonomy, privacy over collective control. They oppose the moral policing. Is influenced, now they are influenced more by global culture than by local custom, because ये क्वेश्चन करते हैं. Now imagine all three these kind of people are sharing the same street, same elections, the same social media platforms and same towns and cities.
पागल हो जाते हैं यहाँ पे क्रॉस करने के लिए. सबको पहले जाना है कोई किसी के लिए वेट नहीं करेगा। बाइक हो, ऑटो हो, फोर व्हीलर हो, छोटा ट्रक हो, कुछ भी हो, सबको आगे जाना है। यार थोड़ा सा कोऑपरेट कर दो एक दूसरे के साथ, ये ठीक है। पता नहीं कब भारत में लोगों को ड्राइविंग का सेंस होगा। 99% ऑफ द पीपल इन इंडिया नॉनसेंस ड्राइवर, एब्सोल्युटली नॉनसेंस। इससे कोई गुस्सा हो, आई डोंट केयर, मतलब आप ही एडजस्ट करो खाली, बाकी किसी को घंटा नहीं फर्क पड़ता कि आप एडजस्ट कर रहे हो, आप जगह दे रहे हो।
Before these three settle into some balance, अब आ गया artificial intelligence enters into the scene. अब achieving a coalition merger इन तीनों waves का, और चौथा एंटर कर रहा है, इन these 78 years वो ऐसा है कि टाइम वो कॉम्प्रेस कर रहा है आप पूरी तरह। So when the waves collide, it's natural कि turbulence होगा। So what looks like a chaos, ये बेसिकली एक collision है, क्योंकि तीनों waves का अलग अलग belief systems हैं। The rising domestic conflict may reflect old gender hierarchies resisting new independence। हमने तो लड़की को कॉलेज जाने से बंद करा दिया साहब, क्योंकि कोई पता नहीं कहीं से लव मैरिज कर ले। Explosive religious participation may reflect identity consolidation in certain times। हम अपनी आइडेंटिटी को ढूंढ रहे हैं अभी, क्योंकि वेव्स का कॉन्फ्लिक्ट चल रहा है। हेट स्पीच में सिग्नल एंजाइटी, फियर ऑफ लूजिंग कल्चरल डोमिनेंस इन ए रैपिडली चेंजिंग सोसाइटी। सो व्हेन पीपल फील द ग्राउंड शिफ्टिंग बीनीथ देम, जब वो देखते हैं कि उनके नीचे से जमीन खिसक रही है, so they cling harder to the identity to sort out the confusion inside। They form number of सेनास, रक्षक बने हुए हैं बहुत सारे। They do moral policing, beat their own people, अपनी कम्युनिटी के लोगों को मार रहे हैं आप, who have just graduated or trying to graduate to another wave and are trying to leave these people behind। So in these confused times, you find religion becomes louder, caste becomes sharper, and politics becomes polarized, and gender roles become battlegrounds। ये इसलिए नहीं हो रहा कि society is collapsing, but because this society is going through a transition, and people of each different wave are colliding, and they are going through a transition। So every major transition in history looked like moral decline to the generation living through it। The Industrial Revolution, same thing happened, was seen as a social background। Urbanization was called cultural destruction। Women entering the workforce was called family collapse हो रही हैं। But many of those shifts were indicators of that the civilization is evolving। So therefore we need to ask, are we witnessing decay, or are we witnessing the violent friction of this transition that is taking place? Is this social collapse, or is this the painful birth of a new equilibrium? And because if this is a wave collision, then the turbulence is not going to be permanent, it is transitional। And the real challenge is one cannot stop the change, and therefore also cannot run with the hare and the hunt with hounds, meaning cannot have double standards, implying that at one place you are professing कि IT revolution हो, AI help करेगा, but trying to hold on to the old values and belief systems of the agricultural wave। If you are doing this, you are yourself confused and you are confusing the whole society कि हमें जाना कहाँ है। You need to manage it without causing confusion and tearing the society apart, and that is what truly matters। Thank you। Jai Hind।